In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add in the calligraphic letter R to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So the letter R is the 18th letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in calligraphic R, followed by the LaTeX code to actually show this letter. So here we're going to use the command mathcal, so it's mathcal, and we'll input R here. And so to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we now have the calligraphic letter R here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the calligraphic letter R to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.